I'm Giorgio Rizzoni, a professor of mechanical and aerospace engineering at The Ohio State University. We're here to talk about the importance of government funding to advance the science of transportation. Research funding from the federal government is critical to enable us to advance technology to solve problems that really matter to us as individuals and to us as a society. We were participants in a challenge launched by the U.S. Department of Transportation with focus on improving safety at intersections. Intersections represent an unreasonable proportion of traffic fatalities today. Vulnerable road users are oftentimes victims of accidents at intersections, and the U.S. DOT launched a challenge to find solutions based on technology to reduce the incidence of casualties and fatalities at intersections. The goal of this research was to deploy technology based on novel sensing methods, radar, LiDAR cameras, thermal imaging cameras, to understand how we could capture the essence of the motion of vulnerable road users at intersection, predict their trajectories, and prevent accidents and collisions with automobiles and other vehicles. The challenge in this research is to deploy technologies that uses the most modern sensing modalities and the most advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning methodologies to understand the motion of pedestrians and vulnerable road users to prevent accidents. The development of this technology requires a deep understanding of computer vision and other AI-based methods. And then the next challenge is, how do we deploy these technologies in the equipment that is already in our intersections today? It was essential for us to have a source of federal funding because the industrial sector that is responsible for producing intersection equipment, the traffic lights and all of the related equipment, do not have the technological capabilities to make such advances in this technology. So federal funding is fundamental to overcome those early barriers and make it possible for this technology to become deployable on an everyday basis. We believe that the role the federal government can play in advancing our understanding of technology and science to enable better lives, better products, and continuous economic development in the United States is critical. We need the support to be able to continue to keep the leadership position the United States has historically had in the development of new technology.